Yeah, sir. We did ionic compound.
Yes, we have completed ionic compound. Now look at the syllabus, right?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Last time we have completed formation of positive ion, right?
Yes,
Uh,
sir. We did
Cation, negative ion.
coordination. Coordination
Yes, we
member.
have exactly we have completed coordination number. Now we are revising the syllabus. Giant lattice structure, yes, we have completed. Strong electrostatic, we have completed. Ionic bond, including dot and cross diagram, yes, we have completed. Properties, we have done to melting point, conductivity, yes, we have completed. So today we are starting covalent, right? Covalent. Yes, 2.5 is simple molecule and covalent. Simple molecule and covalent. Sorry. Yes, I'm sharing you the screen again. Okay, here you have syllabus. And then giant covalent structures, then metallic bonding, etc. So here we have the syllabus. Now topic is simple molecule and covalent. Simple molecule and covalent. Simple molecule and covalent. This is your syllabus. Simple molecule and yes, are you listening my voice?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first is state that a covalent bond is formed when a pair of electron is shared between two atoms, right? So what is covalent bond? So make the heading covalent bond. Covalent bonding. Covalent bonding. So first point, what is covalent bonding and how it is formed? So first point is covalent bonding occurs between, yes, as you know that the ionic compound is formed between metals and non-metal, right?
Sir, covalent bonding is formed between metals and metals. No, wait, non-metals and non.
Formed between non-metals, right?
Yes, non-metals.
Between non-metals. Between non-metals. Between non-metals. For example, hydrogen non-metal, non-metal, plus chlorine non-metal, HCl is formed. So this is covalent bonding. So covalent bonding occurs between two non-metals. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now, in covalent bond, as you know that in ionic bonding, electrons are transferred completely, right? In ionic bonding, electrons are completely transferred. No chance of return back of electrons. So point number 2, electrons are not transferred. Are not transferred. Point number next, electrons are shared. Electrons are shared. Can you tell me why electrons are shared? To gain stability. To gain stability.
Sir, so in ionic bonding, they transfer electrons to gain stability, and
Exactly.
in covalent bonding, electrons are shared to gain stability.
To gain stability, right?
Okay.
There are 3 types of covalent bonding. There are 3 types of covalent bonding. There are 3 types of covalent bonding. Number 1, single covalent bonding. Number 2, double covalent bonding. Number 3, triple covalent bonding. Single covalent bonding. Number 2, double covalent bonding. Number 3, triple covalent bonding. Triple covalent bonding. What is single covalent bonding? If one electron is shared by each bonded atom, by each bonded atom. Similarly, in double bonding, 2 electrons are shared. If 2 electrons are shared. In triple covalent bonding, if 3 electrons are shared. If 2 electrons are shared.
Sir, any other
If
difference?
no, just the number of electrons shared is different. If 3
Okay.
electrons are shared by each bonded atom. Now look at the example. This is hydrogen plus hydrogen. 2 hydrogen atom is equal to H2. This is hydrogen molecule. This is hydrogen molecule. Now look at the dot and cross diagram of it. This is hydrogen. You have the nucleus, Here we have a dot. Similarly, another hydrogen atom with the cross electron. When these two combine, a molecule is formed. Look at this one. Yes. This is another hydrogen atom. Here you have dot, here you have cross. So these are called shared pair of electron. Shared pair of electron. So both hydrogen combine and form hydrogen molecule. To form hydrogen molecule. Now next is chlorine atom. Next example is chlorine. Chlorine is 17. Chlorine is 17. So as you know that to show dot and cross diagram, only valence shell is shown. So chlorine has 2,8, 7 valence electron. So chlorine has 7 valence electrons. This is chlorine 17. This is another chlorine 17. Here you have cross. Here you have dot. So can you tell me how many valence electron in each chlorine atom?
7, sir.
7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, we have 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So both chlorine atoms have 7 valence electron. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah. Now join both of them. So try to make this bonding, right? Now here we have one chlorine atom. And here we have second chlorine atom. So here we have cross, dot, dot, dot. Second one is chlorine. So chlorine has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Beta, are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
but then shouldn't like there be a dot or like a cross for both of them because they're the same element, or
Yes,
should there be one?
this, no. These are same, right? So these are called shared pair of electron. These are called shared pair of electron.
Yeah, so no, I'm saying, sir, while drawing the dot and cross diagram, shouldn't we keep
Mhm.
like the same symbol because they're the same element? So like just a cross or
Yes,
just a dot.
if elements are same, you always use the same symbol. It's specific. Are you getting my point?
Sir, sir, but what if you don't use the same symbol? Is it okay if you use different one?
For example, give me example. I use the same
Like for
symbol.
example, here also, sir, in CL, if it's okay, if is it okay if you use
Are you telling?
different symbols?
Okay? So let's see. This is hydrogen. Example
Sir,
number
sir,
3. Hydrogen and Cl. So hydrogen is and chlorine has 7 valence electron. This is hydrogen and chlorine has 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So form a bond between these two. So here you have hydrogen. This is hydrogen electron. This is Cl. So this is covalent compound. Now I am giving you a task, right? So our first question of the task is water. Water is H2O. Yes, draw the diagram. Dot and cross diagram.
Sir, there will be two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom.
Oh, very
Oxygen.
good. Very good. Very good. Let's suppose this is oxygen. So this is oxygen and it is bonded with hydrogen.
sir,
Yes,
sir, isn't there like 6 electrons in the valence shell of the oxygen?
just 6 electron because oxygen is 8, right? 2 comma 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, it should be 7. It should be 7. H2O So
So shouldn't it be 6?
6 electrons, right?
Yes.
So 6 electrons. You have 2 oxygen atoms.
Sir, but this is H.
You have another and this one is oxygen. So you can use circle or dot. Yes.
Sir, there's 6 electrons in the H.
How many
H
electrons are
Sir, isn't there
very,
one electron inside
very
each?
good, very good, very good, Shabash. So you know that how the covalent bondings are formed, right? Now you are passed in this test, right? So we need 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen, right? So this is oxygen number 1. This is hydrogen number 1. And this is hydrogen number 2. This is hydrogen. This is oxygen. This is hydrogen. So hydrogen has only 1 electron. 1 electron. And oxygen has 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 electrons are arranged with the hydrogen. So these are hydrogen. This is hydrogen. And we need oxygen. This is oxygen. This is oxygen. This is hydrogen. This is hydrogen. Here we have oxygen dot, oxygen dot. Here we have cross. So oxygen has 6 electrons. So you have only 4 electrons. This is the correct structure of water.
Sir,
Yes.
is it necessary for drawing the H atoms as small?
No. Try to draw the diagram according to the shape of the orbital, right? For example, hydrogen has only 2 electrons. So it always have first electron.
Yes, sir, but I'm saying do we have to draw it as a small circle? How do you
It's
check?
up to you. It's up to you. Not necessary,
Okay.
right? They may be same, they may be different. So the next molecule is water. Next molecule is, after water, we have ammonia. Next molecule is ammonia. The symbol of ammonia is NH3. So how many nitrogen?
3 hydrogen.
3 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen, right?
Yes, sir.
So you know that nitrogen has 7 electrons. So 2 and 5. Hydrogen has 1, so 1, 1, 1. So this is nitrogen. And these 3 are hydrogens. Yes, these are hydrogen, right? So here we have hydrogen, 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 and nitrogen. So how many valence electron in nitrogen?
5, sir.
5.
5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you all know that hydrogen has only 1 electron. Now combine. Now we have nitrogen, and then we have 3 hydrogens. This is hydrogen number 1. This is hydrogen number 2. And this one is hydrogen number 3. So 4 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen along with 1 nitrogen. So can you tell me how many valence electron in nitrogen?
5, sir.
5. So here you have 1. So blue one. 1, 2, and 3. So 5 electrons. So 2 are lone pair. And then cross bond. This is NH3. This is ammonia. This is ammonia, and these are hydrogen. Now draw next structure and send back to me on my WhatsApp number, right? Next is
So it is
methane.
okay.
Send me picture, right? Methane is CH4. CH4. Methane is CH4.
Okay, sir.
You have 1 carbon. This is CH4. So I am waiting for your response, right?
Yes, sir. I'm sending. I'm sending.
One carbon surrounded by 4 hydrogen. Yes. Carbon is central atom.
Sir, I'm done. I'm sending.
Okay.
I'm also done answering.
Hmm.
Sir, I sent you. Can you check?
Hmm. Oh, very good. Very good. Anyone?
Sir.
Hmm. This is carbon.
Yeah.
And we have 4 hydrogen for it. 1, this is carbon. And you know that carbon has 4 electron. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And blue one is hydrogen. They are they have 1 valence electron. So it has cross. So 4, sorry, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. So it looks like this. This is carbon. This is hydrogen. Three. This one is fourth one, right? So where is green one? Here we have green one. Here we have green one, green one, green one. And these are the electrons of hydrogen. This is carbon. These are hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is methane molecule.
Sir,
This is methane. Yes, yes, methane.
so is this simple covalent bonding or single or double or triple?
It is single, right? These are single.
Okay, sir. Because like all of them are sharing one electron. That's why.
Yes, yes, yes. That's why they are single covalent.
Okay, sir.
Next is properties of simple covalent bonding, right? Now look at the first, second, and triple bond, right? So this is hydrogen. So these are hydrogen. So 1 electron is shared by each. So this is hydrogen, hydrogen, single bond. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Now double bond. O2. Okay. Now oxygen has 6 electrons, you all know. 2 and you have, you know that 8 electrons are there. So 2 and 6. So 2 and 6. So how many valence electron in oxygen atom?
6, sir.
6. So 1 for covalent. Oxygen has 6 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second oxygen atom again has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is O2. Now third is nitrogen.
This is simple covalent bonding, right?
Sorry?
This is simple covalent bonding.
Simple single covalent bonding.
Wait, all of these are single.
Yes, all except oxygen. Except
Okay, sir.
oxygen. Now triple covalent.
Sir, methane is triple covalent bonding.
Yeah, this is called triple covalent bond. So one electron is shared by nitrogen, second electron, third electron. First, second, third. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you tell me the diagram is right or wrong?
It's wrong, sir.
So tell me how this diagram is wrong.
Sir, because in this, if we draw it like this way, then each of the nitrogen atom is getting 4, 5, 8, 11 electrons.
Exactly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we need how many electrons?
8, sir.
2 and 6. Nitrogen is 7. Nitrogen is 7 or nitrogen is 5?
7, sir. So 5 electrons
7.
in the
So
valence
first
shell.
in first cell we have 2 electrons. In second you have 5 electrons. So the correct way to draw this diagram is that first draw valence electron for first nitrogen and then valence electron of second nitrogen. Now you know that nitrogen has 5 electrons. You know that you have triple bond between 2 nitrogen. You have to memorize this. So three bonds are formed, 3 electrons are used. This is remaining electron. This is remaining electron. Yes, any question regarding this nitrogen molecule?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now make the heading properties of covalent compounds. Next is properties of simple covalent compound. Properties of simple covalent compound. Yes, first. Yes. Can anyone tell me the properties of simple covalent compound? They are solid, liquid, or gas?
Nitrogen? Sir, nitrogen?
No, no, covalent compounds. Either they are solid, liquid, or gas at room temperature.
Sir,
Liquid.
gas.
Yes, tell me again.
Sir, gas.
Yes, you know that they are made up of non-metals. So they are often liquid or gas at room temperature. They are liquid or gases at room temperature. They are liquid, right? Can anyone tell me why they are liquid?
Sir, because non-metals don't have high melting points and boiling points, so that's why they melt quickly
Hmm.
or boil quickly.
You know that these substances are made up of a simple molecule, right? Covalent compounds are made of simple molecules and they form covalent bonding. They are joined by covalent bonding. So why they are liquid or gases at room temperature?
Because they're not that strong.
Because these substances are made of simple molecule. Next, they are joined by covalent bonding. They are joined by covalent bonding or bond. Now, question number 2 or heading number 2. They have high or low melting or boiling point. Yes,
Then I
they have
Low, sir.
low melting and boiling point.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. They have low they have low. Oh my God. I think I am unable to write on that page. Okay. So, right, they have low boiling and melting point. They have low. Are you listening my voice?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Right. They have low melting and boiling point. Oh. Yes. Right. They have. Right. They have low melting and boiling point. Can you tell me why? Why they have low melting and boiling points? Yes, are you listening my voice?
Because they don't have like that much force of attraction.
Because intermolecular force of attraction between them are very weak because they are covalent. So they have low melting and boiling point. They have low melting and low boiling point. Why? Because they have very weak intermolecular force of attraction. Force of attraction. Now, point number 3. Now, tell me either they are soluble in organic solvent, such as ethanol. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You told me that they are soluble. Can you tell me why?
Because they are liquid or gas at room temperature.
Mm, because you know that covalent compounds are non-polar, right? So they dissolve in non-polar. Now, right? Covalent molecules dissolve in water or dissolve in ethanol. Sorry, dissolve in ethanol. Why they dissolve in ethanol? Because covalent compounds are non-polar. That's why they are soluble in organic compounds. Yes, bete. Last property is that they conduct electricity or they do not conduct electricity.
Uh, they do not conduct electricity
Why?
because they're non-polar.
Because
They're non-polar.
no,
Sir, they are non metals.
no, yes. Why they do not conduct electricity?
And they don't have three electrons running. They don't
You
have
can say
three.
that they do not have ions which carry charge. So they do not have ions. Covalent compounds do not have ions that carry charge. Yes, Bitte. Can you revise all these 4 points with explanation? Can anyone explain?
Sir, can you repeat the other point, the electricity one? They have no electricity because
Because they do not conduct electricity because
yeah, because
they do not have ions.
okay.
IONS. They do not have ions which carry charge.
Sir, what was the third point?
But the third point is solubility. Covalent compounds are soluble in organic solvents. For example, ethanol. Why they are soluble? Because they dissolve in non-polar solvents.
Okay, sir.
Can anyone repeat all four characteristic? Yes. Explain one by one. All
Sir,
four properties. Yes.
they are liquid or gas at room temperature because
Hmm.
these substances are made of simple molecules and are
Hmm.
joined by covalent bonding.
Hmm.
Okay, and also they have low melting and boiling point because they have
Hmm.
a very weak intermolecular force of attraction.
Hmm.
They don't conduct electricity because they don't have ions, so they don't have any charge. And then they are soluble because they dissolve in non-polar substances.
Very good. Very, very good. Now, syllabus again. Yes. So, topic number one, state that a covalent bond is formed when a pair of electrons is shared between two atoms leading to noble gas electronic configuration. Describe the formation of covalent bond in simple molecule hydrogen, chlorine, water, CH4, NH3, HCl. So all we have discussed. Simple molecular compounds. Okay. Now next topic is describe and explain in terms of structure and bonding the properties of simple molecular compounds. Low melting point, boiling point in terms of weaker molecular space or forces, poor electricity. Okay. So covalent is also completed. Do you have any question?
Sir,
Yes.
but we did do for CH3OH and C2H4.
Okay. Now look at the CH3OH, right? CH3OH. This is CH3OH. So you have one carbon. We have three hydrogens. One. So this is carbon. And second one is hydrogen. And the last one is oxygen. These are the oxygen of electrons of oxygen. So you know that oxygen has six electrons. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now the last one is hydrogen. This is CH3OH. Look at the structure. If you need any help, ask me. This is CH3OH.
Sir, but in the
Yes.
right, our hydrogen with the OH1, it only has one electron.
Hmm.
So how shouldn't you have two?
Yes.
Yes.
And the next is C2H4. Do you still need of C2H4?
It's okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
No, sir.
So this chapter is again completed, right? We have completed this chapter. Now the next one is this is 2.6, giant covalent structure. Can you tell me what compounds are giant? Yes, anyone?
Sir,
Okay.
they are covalent. They are many covalent
Graphite,
bonds.
diamond,
Very good. They have giant covalent bonding, right? Giant means a structure which is more extended, right? The structure which is more extended. Now, can you tell me what is the structure of graphite? Yes. Can you tell me the structure of graphite diamond or silicon oxide? Yes.
Sir, is it a covalent bond? A giant covalent bond.
I am asking, can anyone tell me how the structure of graphite diamond and silicon dioxide?
I don't know, sir.
How can we draw the structure of graphite? Now look at the structure of graphite, right? Now I'm drawing graphite, right? Now join this part with this part, and this one with this one. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. So they're like hexagon.
Yes, exactly. We have different hexagons, or you can simply make this bonding. This bonding is called intermolecular. This is normal structure of graphite. So these are carbon atoms. These are carbon atoms, and their interaction is different type of intermolecular force of attraction, right? So this is graphite, and in graphite we have hexagonal structure. Each dot indicates carbon. So it is the giant structure because throughout the structure we have covalent bonding. Because throughout the structure we have covalent bonding. So this is graphite, and diamond and silicon dioxide both have nearly same structure. This is the normal structure of graphite. Sorry, diamond. This is diamond. This is diamond structure. And then silicon dioxide. This is giant structure of silicon dioxide. Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So next is rate the structure and bonding of graphite and diamond. To their uses limited to graphite as lubricant and as an electrode. Okay. So I would like to start this chapter from the
Sir,
next class, right? Yes, tell me.
should we like draw these images?
Yes, inshallah, in the next class, I will draw it again, right? So
Okay, sir.
I would like to take a minor test, right? Can I take your minor test?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is whiteboard, right? Try to write on the whiteboard. Imas, Saad, Umer. Can anyone write on the board? Let's try.
Sir,
Hmm?
Sir, we can't try it.
Okay, just a minute. Hmm. Mhm. Now try to write.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right.
Okay. Now test question number 1. Test question number 1. Find electron, proton, and neutron.
Sir should be right.
Yes, yes. In your copy, right? Calcium +2. Now magnesium +2. Then chlorine -1. Fluorine -1. Yes. Find electron, proton, and neutron. All 4 are ions, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
then
Beta, if you have done, send it to my number. Yes.
so I'm sending.
Okay.
It's from John Anthony.
Okay. Can you send me
Sir,
the
sir, I
solution
have
of these
already
4?
sent.
I'm sending.
Yeah, I sent.
Okay. Imaz, I have received. Imaz, your electrons are wrong
Sir, of whom?
because you know that you have positive 2 charge. It means you have 2 less electron. So electron.
I saw it. I'm sending you again.
Sir, I sent.
Okay. Yes, Saad, your electrons are correct.
Sir, I've sent it again.
Okay. Magnesium.
Sir, I sent also.
Magnesium is correct. Chlorine is correct. Fluorine is correct. Saad, your all questions are correct.
Okay, sir.
Now 18, 20, 20. Magnesium is 10. Okay. Chlorine is 1 more electron. Okay. Now I have another one. 6823, right? What's your name?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Saad, your number is 6823. Last four digit of your number is 6823.
sir, for what?
97150167682
That's
Is it
me,
your
sir.
number?
No, sir,
Yeah,
that's me,
what's your
Umar.
name? Umar.
Yes, sir.
Umar, your calcium is correct. Magnesium is correct. Chlorine is correct. Fluorine is also correct. All questions are correct. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So this is all about today class. So inshallah tomorrow I will start new part of the last of this chapter, right? Giant structures, right? So tomorrow we will start giant structure. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
Can we leave?
So yes. Tomorrow, inshallah, on the next class we will discuss in more detail giant structure of covalent compounds, right?
Okay, sir. Okay, Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, sir.